What if I told you? Some people don't just fly first class. They own the entire sky. Today we're counting down the top 10 most expensive private jets in the world. And by the end, you'll see a flying palace worth over $500 million. Let's take off. Number 10, Dassault Falcon 8. X, $58 million. French precision, 6,450 nautical miles non-stop. Quiet, precise, elite. Number 9, Bombardier Global, $7,575 million. Longest range in business aviation, a real shower at 40,000 feet. Yes, a shower. And we're just warming up. Number 8, Gulfstream G700, $78 million, nearly the speed of sound. Designed to eliminate jet lag. Luxury meets performance. Number 7, Boeing Business. Jet 737, $100 million plus, a commercial airliner converted into a mansion. Conference rooms, bedrooms, dining halls. Quick question, jet or business? Comment below. Number 6, Airbus A320neo, $110 million plus. 6,700 square feet of cabin space, private suites, 15-hour non-stop range. This isn't travel, it's territory. Number 5, Boeing 787-8 VIP, up to $400 million, customized, full dining rooms, master bedrooms, designed for royalty and heads of state. Number 4, Prince Al Walid's Boeing 747, $220+ million. Gold fixtures, throne, private halls, a literal palace in the sky. And yes, it's real. Number 3, Airbus A340-300, $400 million. Boardrooms, cinema, marble interiors. Operating cost, over $25,000 per hour. Number 2, Boeing 747-8 VIP, $400 to $450 million, used by presidents, a flying fortress, but nothing compares to this. Number 1, Airbus A380 Private Edition, $500 to $600 million plus, the largest passenger jet ever built. Reimagined as a billionaire's palace. Glass floor lounge overlooking the earth at 40,000 feet. This isn't transportation, it's dominance. Subscribe, because next time, we go even bigger.